Which of the following is a source of renewable energy? Solar energy. Which part of plant absorbs water from the soil? The correct answer is C. Roots. Which gas is essential for breathing? The correct answer is B. Oxygen. Which is the process by which water turns into vapor? The correct answer is B. Evaporation. What type of energy is stored in food? The correct answer is C. Chemical energy. Which force pulls objects toward the earth? The correct answer is B. Gravity. Which one is an insect? The correct answer is C. Ant. Which animal lays eggs and is a bird? Which of the following is a conductor of electricity? The correct answer is D. Copper. Which star is closest to Earth? The correct answer is B. Sun. Which is not a sense organ? The correct answer is C. Hand. Which part of eye helps us see colors? The correct answer is C. Retina. Which organ helps human digest food? The correct answer is A. Stomach. Which gas is released by plants at night? The correct answer is B. Carbon dioxide. What is the force that slows down moving objects? The correct answer is B. Friction. What do we call the path a plant takes around the sun? The correct answer is A. Orbit. Which disease is caused by mosquito bite? The correct answer is B. Malaria. Which organ filters waste from the blood in the human body? The correct answer is B. Kidneys. What is the color of oxygen gas? The correct answer is C. Colorless. Which gas is used in light bulbs to prevent burning? The correct option is B. Argon. Which sense organ helps us to smell? The correct option is C. Nose. What causes day and night on Earth? The correct answer is B. Earth's rotation. Which part of the plant becomes a fruit? The correct answer is B. Flower. Which organ in the human body helps control balance? Ears. Which food gives us energy? Rice. Which part of human body help us taste food? Tongue. Which part of body help us to move? Muscles. Which part of plant attracts insect for pollination? Flowers. What is the natural satellite of Earth? Moon. What do we call the movement of water from Earth to the atmosphere and back? The correct answer is A. Water cycle. What is the main gas in the air we breathe? Nitrogen. What is the name of the star group that forms pattern in the sky? What helps plant grow towards sunlight? What is the main source of energy for earthquakes? Which of the following is a locate? The correct answer is C. Bleak. What do we call animals that live both on land and in water? The correct answer is B. Amphibians. Which is not a natural resource? The correct answer is C. Plastic. Which protect the earth from harmful rays of the sun? Ozone layer. What causes the tides in the oceans? Moon's gravity. Which animal is known for its black and white marking and eats bamboo? Panda.